Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is lesson number 2 of week 9. In the last lesson we have studied applications of LCM and HCF in real life problems. The topic I have selected for this lesson is the BODMAS rule. After watching this lesson, you will be able to know what is meant by the BODMAS rule, to understand the order in which the operations are performed, to simplify a mathematical expression and be able to apply them appropriately. What is the BODMAS rule? BODMAS actually helps us to find the sequence of operations which we have to perform while solving any mathematical expression. BODMAS is the short form for B stands for brackets, O for of or order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So if problems involve brackets, of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, then first work out brackets, then perform of, then division, after that multiplication, next addition, at the end subtraction. This is called the BODMAS rule. Sometimes mathematical expression may involve different types of brackets. These brackets are vinculum or bar brackets, curved round brackets or parentheses, curly brackets or braces, box brackets or square brackets. There are some rules for simplifications. In first rule, we simplify expressions by starting with the innermost bracket. Normally the vinculum is the innermost bracket. Next is the parenthesis, then the braces, and finally the square brackets. In second rule, if there are many terms inside a bracket, BODMAS is applied there. In third rule, if there is no sign between a number and a pair of brackets, then it is implied that the operation to be performed is multiplication. For example, here we have no sign between 8 and 4. It means that 8 multiplied with 4, which is equal to 32. In fourth rule, when there is positive sign before a pair of brackets, you can simply remove the brackets. For example, 6 plus 8 minus 3 within brackets. Here we will simply remove the brackets because positive sign will not change the sign of final term inside the brackets, which is 5. So plus 5 will remain plus 5. We will write as 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. In fifth rule, when there is a negative sign before a pair of brackets, then all signs within the bracket change while removing the brackets. For example, if we have 6 minus 8 minus 3 within brackets, when we will remove the brackets, the negative sign will change the sign of final term inside the brackets, that is 5, which means that plus 5 will change into minus 5. So we will write it as 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Let's solve exercise 5a, in which we will simplify mathematical expressions using BODMAS rules. In part A, we have 4 by 7 divided by 6 by 7 of 8 by 9 plus 1 by 4. Here we have three operations of, division, and addition. In BODMAS rule, O comes first. So first we have to simplify of. We will write 4 by 7 divided by 6 by 7, and of means multiplication, 8 by 9 plus 1 by 4. Now we will take cross cancellations. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Here no more cancellation is possible. So we will multiply numerator with numerator. 2 8s are 16 and 7 3s are 21 plus 1 by 4. Remaining terms we will write as it is. After that we will perform division, because in BODMAS rule division comes first. So now we will change this division sign into multiplication. So our second fraction will be flipped. It will be 21 by 16 plus 1 by 4. Because when we convert division sign into multiplication in fractions, then first fraction we will write as it is and our second fraction will be flipped and division sign will be converted into multiplication sign. Okay, now which comes first, multiplication or addition in BODMAS rule? Yes, multiplication. So first we will perform multiplication and then addition. So here you can see 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21, which is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now we will perform addition. Here we will take LCM as denominator is 4. So we will write 4 here. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 divided by 4. So this will be equals to 1. In part B, we have 3 whole 2 by 3 minus 3 by 11 of 2 whole 3 by 4 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 whole 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here we have 5 operations of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In BODMAS rules, O comes first, so first we have to simplify off. Before going to start our solution, first we will convert mixed fraction into improper fractions. For this we will multiply the side numbers and then add in numerator, and there will be no change in denominator. Like 3 threes are 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So here we will write 11 by 3 minus 3 by 11, and off will be converted into multiplication. 4 twos are 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 4 divided by 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 4 multiplied by 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. Here we will simplify this off first. So we will take cross cancellation. 11 ones are 11 and 11 ones are 11. So there is no more cancellation. So we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So this will be equals to 11 by 3 minus 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here we have 4 different operations: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So which comes first in BODMAS rule? Division. Yes. So we will perform division first. Here we have division sign between 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. So first we will convert this division sign into multiplication sign. So 11 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Now we will convert this division sign into multiplication. So second fraction will be flipped. So it will be 4 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we will perform multiplication. So here you can see 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Similarly 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, which is equal to 11 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Now we have two operations, addition and subtraction. So first we will perform addition and then subtraction. For this we will rearrange the terms. Like 11 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Here we have addition sign between 11 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So we will take LCM as denominator is same. So we will write 3 here. 11 plus 1 minus 1 here. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 divided by 3 minus 1. So through cancellation 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, which is equal to 4 minus 1, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Dear students, this was all about today's lesson. Hopefully, you will be able to solve the remaining parts of this exercise given in worksheet. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.